before you can grow your small account, you must have the long-term mindset. This is not risk to reward. This is not put this to get this. Right. So the first thing here is a good broker. Before you can grow your small account, you need a good broker, a regulated broker, a broker with a good leverage. That is the best way and the first thing to do if you want to grow your account fast. The second thing here is to have a good strategy that have an edge in the market. So in the market, if you don't have a good strategy that have an edge, you have a big issue in the forex market. So right now, I'm going to show you my strategy in this video, the strategy I use in growing small forex account, the strategy I use in growing $100 to 3K, then the 3K to 19K, the strategy I use in growing $1,000 down to 5K, $1,000 down to what? To 10K. So by now, you should understand I'm a price action trader, right? So whenever the market is going to the upside, we'll be having the series of higher highs and what? Higher lows here. Higher highs and what? Higher lows. Higher highs and what? Higher lows here. So right now, I take advantage of the recent high and the break and the retest. I trade a break and retest. That is my strategy, right? So I take advantage of the break and retest. In the forex market, before you trade, your strategy must have an edge. You can't just jump into the market with strategy that you don't understand and think you want to grow a small account, right? So a break and retest is a very popular strategy that most traders know, right? So this is it. Whenever I want to take a trade, I'll just wait for the market to give me a support. You can see that's the support there. Then I'll wait for the break and retest of it. This is a break and a retest. Then I'll take my buy position from here. You understand? So right now, even here, look what happened here. We'll have a break after that retest. We'll have the break of this high again, come back to retest on that high. Then what? I'll be looking to buy again. This is how I trade, and this is the strategy I use in growing small account. This is it. It is very, very simple. So what if the market is going to the downside? We have the market creating series of lows and lower highs, lower lows and what? Lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So what do we take advantage of? We take advantage of the lower lows here, the support that broke to turn a resistance. So that is you can see a support here, come down here to break it, turn it to a resistance here. The same thing here still. This is what I take advantage of. I take my sell position from here to this level. Yep. So from this level to this level. Target a minimum of 1 to 3, right? So this is the best way I trade a small account. So right now, how do I trade? So whenever I enter a trade from this level, whenever I took my trade from this level with my risk, is my calculated risk. So I can never take a trade without a good risk management. So I will just wait for the market to go up, go to the upside, come back to return and retest, come down and retest on that resistance level and turn the resistance to support, then I can look to what? I can look to buy. Then I can look to buy exactly there. So what about to the downside? The same thing here. So I will have the market break, turn that support here into a resistance, then I can look to say, turn the support into a resistance, then I can look to sell from this level below. So this is how I trade. So if you can check my chart, and if you can check my chart, so let me go to my chart real quick. Yeah, this is what I trade. So what do we have here? We have a break and a retest, right? A break and what? A break and a retest of this level. So we have the market coming to the other side, from the other side, come down, break this level. This is a resistance, break it, turn it to support, give us like a morning star there. I sold. That is how, sorry, I bought. That is how I took that trade. So on this trade here, we have a break, we have a retest here. I couldn't take that one because it's so confusing at that level. So it's as if it's respecting this level, this resistance, turning it to like a double top, right? So I just like left it and wait for confirmation. So after this confirmation here, I took this long position here. You can see that was the last trade I took, and this is it. 1 to 6 risk to reward, hit TP. You feel me? This is how I trade. So the last but not the least thing here is the leverage. Whenever you want to trade a small account, you need a good broker that have a good leverage, just as I mentioned before. Whenever you have a leverage of 1 to 50, that means you have a buying power of 50,000. You feel me? That is how leverage works. You understand? So that is it, guys. Peace on this video.